Hey, yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing something a little different. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of some camera equipment. I haven't done an unboxing in a while. I think I've only done one before on this channel. It was I unboxed a camera, so that was pretty cool. The reason I'm doing this is I just wanna share as much information about equipment that I'm buying and that I'm using as I can. That's super helpful. It's a huge part of photography. I know a lot of people say the equipment doesn't matter. It does, man. Otherwise, people wouldn't buy it, you know? So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I bought a gimbal the first time. I've never had one, never owned one, but I felt like it was time. I don't do a ton of video work. I'm mainly a photographer, but I do a few videos here and there, mostly for the Good Ink photo meetups and events and trips that we do. I like to document as much of that as I can. And usually I'm just shooting handheld with my Canon. So I decided it's time to upgrade, to get a gimbal. So I went ahead, pulled the trigger and got one. I picked up the Weebill S from Zhiyun. I think that's the name of I think that's how you pronounce it, Zhiyun. Yeah, this one was $339 after tax and everything's about $350. Picked it up from Amazon. I felt really good about the price. The price for these things overall is kind of started to come down a little bit. So very happy with the price that I was able to get it at. I chose this one over the Fiutech, I think is the name of the other brand. That's like the lower end. And then the DJI, which is like the higher end. So this one's kind of in the middle. And you guys know that's my sweet spot right there in the middle. Not the cheapest, but definitely not the most expensive. I'm trying to save some money out here, man. So I picked up this one. The Fiutech, I just wasn't comfortable with a lot of the reviews that I was seeing. It got really bad reviews from people on YouTube, and then like the reviews on Amazon, people were trashing it. And the biggest thing was I was concerned about the weight of my camera. I do have the Canon 6D with usually either the 24-70 or 16-35, so really on the heavier end as far as camera setups are concerned. So I was definitely nervous about that. Seemed like from everything that I've seen, the Zhiyun should be able to handle my camera and my setup. Hopefully, that's the reason I picked it up. And then so that's why I didn't go with the Fiutech, and then I didn't get the DJI just because of the price, man. I didn't see a huge difference in what it can do compared to this one. So I saved myself, I think it was like $120, $150, something like that, and went with the cheaper Weebill S. So today I'm just gonna be unboxing it. I will do a test run video. The point of the unboxing really is to show you kind of what all comes with it, give you my initial thoughts, the feel of it. I like packaging, man. I like that stuff. I'm into it, so I'm gonna show you the packaging, how it comes and all that stuff. I think that's dope. Fun for me, so I'm gonna share it here. But what the reason I picked it up was just to kind of give myself a little bit more wiggle room in case I do get offered a job or something, or a gig, and someone needs a video shot. I want to be able to have that equipment on hand. I do shoot enough video to where I feel like I'm comfortable doing some paid work, and I need this. So we will see down the road if it ends up making me a ton of money. I don't know, but it's something that's important to have in my arsenal, in my toolkit, just in case something pops up. I can be like, yeah, I got that, I can do it. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it today, and then like I said, I'm gonna do another video where I take it out, shoot with it, test it out, and give my honest feedback of it. So let's just get into the unboxing now, and let's see how this goes. Let's get it. All right, so here we go. Got a pretty tight field of view here, but you can kind of see the important stuff here. Nice little handle in the box. Love the box. That's important to me, man. Just packaging is dope. Super clean. Nice and fresh. Came packed really well from Amazon. I did get the kit, so you can see everything that's going to come in there. A bunch of add-ons, some cool stuff. So happy to have it. we're gonna pop this bad boy open now. Let's get it. That looks like the spot of entry. Here we go. All right, so put this down. Sorry, I'm shaking the damn camera like crazy. So it opens from the top there. Okay, so the whole thing is gonna slide out of the top. It looks like, oh, a nice little carry case. I forgot I got it with the like little carry case thing. Come on now. You're almost home. There it is. Shwoo. It's good looking stuff. I like it. Keep hitting the tripod, my bad. Sweet. So, here's the, I guess the manual, I'm assuming. Yep. That's really cool. That looks like a Lego thing. So I'll have to dig into all this. It's really nice though. Nice photos. Or digital images. With every language you could think of. That's awesome. Here's a what it all comes with kind of guidebook here. That's dope. Yeah, this is nice stuff, man. I'm feeling this. Love great packaging. It's important, even though most of this stuff you end up throwing away. So this is really nice. This is a beautiful touch. This is something that I might use down the road. This looks pretty sturdy. So there it is. There she blows. Zhiyun Weebill S. That hopefully will be able to hold my camera. So this is the little extender right here. That'll help it carry my lens and everything. Initial kind of feels it's super heavyweight. I love that. Actually, I don't really want a super light one. I want something that feels thick and heavy. It's all metal. That's dope. Let's get the feel of this thing here. Yeah, got definitely a nice little heftiness to it. This is pretty kind of plasticky down here. There's definitely gonna be some wear and tear on this. I can already see that. But all the arms and everything are really thick, all metal. That feels really great. Liking that a lot. Initially, the only thing I don't like is this. The handle feels really plasticky, but hopefully we can add a little extender on here. Yep, we can. So you can screw this on here. This will probably keep my hands here, keep it off of this, because I can feel this already will wear out. This little tripod thing is also pretty plasticky. Not the best feel, but it'll do the job. Like I said, keep my hand off of this part here because I can already tell that's going to take some wear and tear. Really nice though. So let's see what else this thing comes with. This is the battery charger. Couple batteries here. Advertised 12 hours of battery life. We will see about that. I'll put that to the test for sure. And then this little box here is probably got a bunch of, I'm assuming, a bunch of cords and stuff. Yep. Ton of cords. That's great. So, yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to put it to the test, man. I just really wanted to open it up, give you guys my initial kind of first thoughts, and give you a good look at the packaging and everything, tell you why I bought it and what I plan on doing with it. And now I'm going to put it to test in the field in another video, but appreciate you guys watching this one. Do me a favor and just hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. And thank you guys. I'll see you on the next video.